Yeah, me again. Zip. Yeah. Do you know me from new channel this video? I think you know. Yeah. Today we are talking about today this video is about a muted land animal planet. That's a big fight. So let's look at the first fight. Round 1. Sarcosuchus versus Spinosaurus. Oh, the Sarcosuchus lose the fight. Round 2. Okay, easy, handle a boa. It's easy to handle. Okay. Okay. Dragon versus Titanoboa. Yeah, the dragon was big. And big. So, round 3, it's dragon versus Spinosaurus. Round 4, Indoraptor versus V-Rex. Now it's round 5. Argotanosaurus versus V-Rex. Round 6. Elephant versus V-Rex. Round 7. Utahraptor versus V-Rex. Round 8. Baryonyx versus V-Rex. Round 9. V-Rex versus T-Rex. Round 10. T-Rex versus Centrosaurus. Now let's look at the top 12 fight. The first of the top 12 fight is T-Rex versus Carnotaurus. You might be watching it, so here it is. The second, yeah, you heard, yeah, the T-Rex versus the Dilophosaurus. Okay, the T-Rex was baby, and the adult T-Rex was stronger, so the T-Rex will win. Because you watch it, the Spinosaurus versus Oculus Slayer, the Spinosaurus win, and Spinosaurus. The T-Rex was stronger than Spinosaurus, so here it is. Okay. T-Rex versus Velociraptor. Yeah, Velociraptor. It's too small. T-Rex versus Stegosaurus. T-Rex versus Pachycephalosaurus. Oh. And T-Rex versus Microraptor. Yeah, real Microraptors are only a meter long. So it can't be win. So and T-Rex versus Triceratops. Someone will look T-Rex versus Triceratops. T-Rex will win. So T-Rex wins. T-Rex versus Stegosaurus. T-Rex versus Albertosaurus. And the last of the fights. Okay. Dragon versus T-Rex. The winner is Dragon. Yeah. But in this fight, in this tournament, the dragon don't breathe fire. Because I think breathe fire is so unfair.